This is me above Glenashdale Falls, just above it. This is the water running onto the top of it. Maybe only 20 yards away from me, the top of Glenashdale Falls. I've got to film it. See the colour of the water and the speed of it. So I wasn't thinking anything of this because I go over this bridge all the time. But just be careful here. It's not on the bottom of the bridge, but it's fast. Look at the speed of that. They're going on the bridge. So it did occur to me, like I'm on this bridge now. You see the speed of this and the depth of it. If this bridge collapsed just now, I go in that water. And that is the top of Glenashdale Falls. There. This tiny wee bit, that's not actually waterfall, but that is. Look at the speed of that. So, I kind of charge about and not think about things normally because I'm quite confident I run over here all the time, stuff like that. And I suppose the water's been higher. But you can see it's not far off the bottom of this bridge, and I've never seen it on the bottom. So the river's pretty much full. That would sweep me away. I'm sure it would. And I don't think I'd be fat enough to get stuck in those rocks. Maybe if I was like twice the size or something, I might get jammed in between them and that would save my life. Because I'm a lanky bam, I'd probably be a goner. Just to illustrate the point, I mean apart from the fact you can just see the speed there, right? That's me looking straight down. That water's black and brown. Nothing's clear about that. Right? I'm going over the bridge again. He who dares wins, or at least he who dares who doesn't get swept away stays alive. Quite good, isn't it? And this isn't a waterfall. Even when down the back of those rocks there. I wonder if there might be flooding at the bottom of Glenashdale actually down at Montrose Terrace. In fact, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to run back down that way deliberately just to see what happens when all this water goes down. I suppose I've done it many times before. Anyway, that's where I am. Okay. So in that case I've got to go back over the bridge anyway. Because of you. Okay, there we go. I'm off.